Hey everybody, welcome to another tutorial. Today's tutorial, we're going to be learning about how to get rid of the widgets. Now if you're like me, sometimes I hover over the widget button and all you see is Elon Musk's stupid face and I hate the widgets. So I'm going to teach you how to get rid of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click on the taskbar, hit taskbar settings again, and this is super easy and quick. The widgets here, you can turn it off. Also, if you don't use Teams, you might as well turn off the chat as well. But we'll be doing another video on that sometime else. So there you go, I won't see Musk's face again, and we're all good to go. So if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next tutorial.